Hi friends, welcome to my channel Code GP. In this video, let's learn about the binary operator interface in Java. So let's cover some introduction part about binary operator interface in Java. The binary operator interface in Java is a functional interface that represents an operation on two operands of the same type, producing a result of the same type. It's an extension of the bifunction interface with a restriction that both the input and output types must be the same. Binary operator simplifies the common use case of applying a binary operation on two values and getting a result of the same type. Okay friends, so now let's see how to define the binary operator interface. So let's proceed. Public interface, I am defining a binary operator interface here. Binary operator, parameter type t, apply method, arguments. Okay, so here t is the type of the operands and the result. Both operands and the result must have the same type. Okay, and apply capital T small t and capital T small u. This is the abstract method within the interface, which is taking two operands of type parameter t and returning a result of type t. Okay, binary operator is commonly used for operations that combine two values of the same type, such as addition, multiplication and comparisons. Okay, so friends, now let's move to code example for binary operator. Let's delete that. Let's delete this. Okay, so let's define one binary operator with name add. Okay, binary operator integer, name of the operator as add, equal to a b variables. These are the variables. Lambda operator a plus b. Okay, and store the result in variable result, int result equal to add. Call the method apply, pass the parameters as I am passing as here 8 and 840. Save the code. Let's delete some spaces, get more space and looking our code good. Now let's write code to get the output. Pass the message as addition result plus result. Okay, save the code. Now friends, let's see about each line here, what we have actually done. Let's see the explanation of code in the each line. So in line number 6 we define a binary operator named add, okay, which takes two integers and return their sum. This binary operator takes two integers a and with variable name a and b, and will return the addition of that two integers, okay. Then we use the apply method of the add binary operator. This is the apply method. We use the apply method of the add binary operator to add two integers 8 and 840, okay. And later on we use the sysout method to print the result. So friends, it's time to get the output to the console. So let's run our code. So here is our result. Addition result is 848, which is 840 plus 8, which is 848, okay. So friends, this binary operator interface is valuable when we need to perform operations on two values and get a result of the same type, okay. It simplifies the code and makes it more expressive. Okay friends, so this is all about the binary operator interface in Java. I hope that you understand very well how to use binary operator in Java. So please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel Code GP. Please help to grow my channel. Please make my efforts worth. Please add value to my videos by subscribing to my channel Code GP. Thanks for watching the video. Keep coding. Happy coding. Thank you once again.